The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. For the following county, Grenville County, Illinois, the National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for north central Ford County in east central Illinois, northeastern Livingston County in central Illinois, northwestern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, southeastern Grenville County in northeast Illinois, southwestern Kankakee County in northeast Illinois until 9:30 p.m. At 3:17 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Doppler radar has indicated in excess of 2 inches of rainfall over the past 1 to 2 hours across portions of the warned area. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bourbonnais, Bradley, Kankakee, Aroma Park, Ashton, Shabance, Clifton, Cullum, Gardner, and Dershire. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area.